Microsoft's operating system design, combining a smarter installation process with groundbreaking features driven by artificial intelligence. Installing Windows 12 will be more seamless than ever, especially for users upgrading from Windows 11. Compatible devices will receive the update directly through Windows Update, while users performing a clean install will be able to download the ISO file and create a bootable USB using tools like the Media Creation Tool or Rufus. The installation process will likely emphasize cloud integration, with settings, personalization, and preferences backed up and restored via your Microsoft account. New AI setup assistants will likely guide users through configuration, helping optimize settings based on individual usage habits. Once installed, Windows 12 introduces a highly modular architecture, enabling faster and less intrusive updates through partitioning system layers that separate core, OS, drivers, and user data. This not only enhances system reliability but also makes rollback and recovery smoother. Among the standout features is the fully integrated Copilot AI assistant, which now functions as a core part of the OS, helping with tasks like summarizing content, adjusting system settings, responding to voice commands, generating images, and even providing real-time translation and captioning during video calls. The user interface is also being redesigned with a floating taskbar, a customizable top bar for widgets and search, and enhanced multitasking tools like AI-powered snap layouts that remember app positions across multiple monitors. Performance is optimized through features like Eco Mode, which intelligently throttles background processes to save battery and resources, and better support for ARM processors, especially on Snapdragon-powered laptops. Windows 12 also makes a strong push towards security, implementing features like AI-based threat detection, advanced encryption, zero-trust protections, and a new privacy dashboard. For gamers and creators, the OS introduces Auto HDR, Direct Storage 2.0, AI-powered upscaling, and improved latency handling, while productivity users will appreciate upgrades to File Explorer, including support for advanced file formats and editable metadata. Overall, Windows 12 blends cloud computing, AI enhancements, a refined user interface, and increased efficiency into one powerful operating system designed for the modern era of hybrid work, gaming, and mobile productivity. Windows 12 is not just an upgrade in appearance or speed. It's a strategic reimagining of what a modern desktop operating system should be in the AI and cloud era. Its installation process is designed to be smarter, lighter, and more secure, leveraging cloud backups and modular system architecture. For example, system updates in Windows 12 are expected to be state-separated, meaning that the system files, user data, and apps reside in isolated partitions, which significantly reduces the chances of a failed update and makes rolling back a broken update nearly instant. During installation, Microsoft may introduce AI-based personalization, where Copilot asks about your usage needs and tailors the environment accordingly, whether you're a gamer, a student, or a professional. Once inside the OS, you'll notice performance and responsiveness have been finely tuned, even on entry-level hardware, especially thanks to native support for ARM64 processors and AI acceleration chips like NPUs, neural processing units, found in modern PCs. The new Copilot system is no longer just a sidebar. It acts as a persistent, intelligent layer over your workflow. It can help create presentations, edit images, draft emails, summarize PDFs, and even optimize your PC settings or clean up unused background apps. On the interface front, Windows 12 offers a more fluid and modular desktop with floating widgets, interactive notifications, and a top-aligned quick access bar for multitasking and productivity. Even the File Explorer has been modernized with a tab design, improved search indexing, rich previews, and support for image metadata editing and advanced file formats like 7-zip and TR. Security is another major focus. Biometric login is enhanced with AI-powered spoof detection, and Smart App Control helps prevent the installation of suspicious software, even if it hasn't been flagged yet by traditional antivirus databases. Meanwhile, eco-conscious users will appreciate sustainable features like dynamic power saving based on carbon intensity in your local grid, better battery reports, and system-wide eco mode toggles. Microsoft is also working to deepen integration with mobile devices via the updated PhoneLink app, allowing for more seamless syncing of calls, texts, photos, and even mobile apps. Ultimately, Windows 12 isn't just an operating system upgrade, it's a shift toward an intelligent, self-optimizing, always connected ecosystem that reflects Microsoft's long-term vision of blending AI, cloud, and device interoperability into a cohesive user experience. Windows 12 represents a bold new chapter in Microsoft's operating system journey, one that prioritizes intelligence, adaptability, and seamless integration between devices, cloud services, and daily workflows. With its refined installation process, deep AI features powered by Copilot, modular system architecture, enhanced performance across both x86 and ARM platforms, and stronger security and privacy controls, Windows 12 is designed to meet the needs of the modern user, whether at work, at home, or on the move. As it prepares to usher in a smarter, faster, and more personalized computing experience, Windows 12 isn't just an update. It's a transformation of how we interact with technology in an increasingly AI-driven world. Whether you're upgrading from Windows 11 or exploring Windows for the first time, Windows 12 aims to offer a smoother, more efficient, and more intelligent environment that evolves with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update as we get closer to the official launch. Drop a comment below and let me know, what feature are you most excited about in Windows 12? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.